No bueno. Well, this was not the plan today because the wind is howling, the power's out, there's tumbleweeds literally blowing everywhere. But we still have to take care of the chickens. The cows, they can do cow things, but on a day like today, I still have to get the chickens taken care of. So the power's out, but luckily we do have a well and a pressure tank. That means that I was able to get the water container filled up. I do have to figure out a way to feed the chickens because I'm pretty sure their feed barrels were pretty low. And if their feed barrels were pretty low, that definitely means that they are going to be out of feed. So I'm going to have to grab some feed for them. And it may just be grabbing a couple bags and putting it out on the ground today. And that's just what we have to do. I grabbed a couple feed bags. I'm hiding behind the shed. But I'm also afraid that little roof modification we made the other day to the chicken coop probably didn't survive. But the next problem we have is the driveway is completely full of tumbleweeds. And so we're going to basically snow plow with the white pickup and try to get through there. Yeah, I'm also playing dad today too. You know, no power to warm up a bottle. It's great, but let's try to see if we can snow plow through these weeds and get these chickens taken care of. We're not much snow plowing, but we're getting through them. Wow. Look at all of them. Oh yeah, so that's, so the roof is gone. The fence is gone. The feed barrels are gone. Dang it, look at that. Just wrecked it. Oh. That's not what we wanted to see. You can see their feed barrels over here, the water pan. So I'm probably literally just gonna dump this feed out on the ground over here close to them. And yeah, that really stinks. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Those roost bars are really muffed up. It's just so... Dang it. Like, we knew this weather was coming, but man, it got really nasty really fast. So, you tell them. But it looks like, oh, and I'm gonna need to open the door to the trailer too and hopefully try to, I don't know what we're gonna do. All right, I went ahead and brought some of the feed barrels over here and I put feed in there for them. It blew this thing off and we had some casualties. That roof crushed a few chickens, or at least one chicken. It really stinks. I'm gonna grab their water buckets and fill them up, and then I'm gonna get out of the wind. It's really unfortunate, and I can't do anything to fix it until the wind quits blowing, so I don't know if that's tomorrow or the next day or what, but they do still have some shelter, so. Dang it. All right, I was able to get some feed barrels filled up with feed, so they have plenty of feed. I was able to fill all 3 water pans up so they have plenty of water. Now we can go ahead and hide until the wind goes away. God bless. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time on American Beef Ranch.